So this is Hyundai KONA, and when you start the engine, the check light is on. And the engine is off. That's the ignition. So when you when I run the diagnosis, this is the fault code, the turbocharger, supercharger boost sensor circuit. This is the fault code. So let me show you where the sensor is. And this is the turbo sensor. If you get at this place. So I've replaced with a new one, and I've realized it's not working. The sensor is still not working, and so I need to check the wires, and I found out the wire is broken here. As you can see, the wire is broken. See, the wire is broken. So I need to fix this wire and see. So I've connected the wire. I need to tape the wire and check. Okay, ma. Okay, So now the problem is solved. Let's spark and check. So now let's turn on the engine. The check is off now. Let me check. Let me turn on the grease and see.